10, 11, 12. Everybody. So this is a traditional Escobilla Alegrias melody, okay? I played that at 100 beats per minute, and that's what we're going to go over right now. Everything in this lesson, in this development program, is all about the Escobilla for Alegrias in the key of E major. So this is the most simple melody that I could create for you that has the feel of the Escobilla. And so let's go over this. We got to go over two chords. We have the E major chord, and then we have a B11 over F sharp, which is kind of, I just call it a flamenco B7. It's like we're playing a B7, which is 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, but we're going to take this pinky off, which is great. That's easy. And then play that F sharp up here. But now all of a sudden we have this open E at the top, and that's the 11 part. So we still have a dominant 7 here on that A and in this A, okay? And we have this high E too, okay? So those are the two chords. Now, you don't, like, if you were to look at the music, which hopefully you have the music and print it out right in front of you, if you were to look at the music, you might not see those chords, because you could go. But what happens if your thumb continues accidentally and then you hit that open third string instead of that first fret of the third string, the G sharp? It's not going to sound great, okay? So we want to have the chord in place. That's the primary reason we want to use these chords. There's other reasons that we'll get to later, but that's going to be what we'll talk about right now, okay? So we play this melody, and I also want you to notice that it's 2 compasses long. So 1 compás in Alegrias is 12 beats, so the melody takes 2 passes of 12 beats, 24 beats. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So, get familiar with that. This is going to be an ongoing, as you go learn all the music that I provided for you. You're going to be really getting this form and that idea, that requirement of this 2 compasses in length of the melody. It has to be that way, okay? So just a couple of technical things. Make sure that, if you're having trouble getting this high E to ring, make sure that you're not going like this, that your palm isn't back here, that is down, okay? The only points of contact should be the tips of your fingers, and then your flat thumb pointing straight up in the back, or like at a slight angle, okay? Yeah? So if you find yourself gripping like this, you're going to frequently mute that first string, okay? All right. Next, all my thumb work with this is going to be rest stroke. And then that high E string with my index finger, the tirando stroke, that's a free stroke. So I'm just placing my finger on there, and I'm bringing the trajectory of my finger comes towards my palm. So make sure that you're not going like this and lifting your hand to do that. You should be doing this with your finger, not your hand. Okay? Good deal. So I'm just going to play this again. Here we go. At 100 beats per minute. Actually, I'll go faster. Let's do 138 is where this stopped. So I'm going to say 10, 11, 12, and we start on 1. 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right? And then you could and you should repeat that, so that way you can play the beginning again, okay? And not stop, and just play 2 or 4 cycles of that. Get very familiar with this. You're going to be using it a lot in your flamenco career and flamenco guitar career, and right in this development program. Okay? Enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.